game's already throwing so much at me. Spawning me in the middle of this moat. It thinks it can beat me? Well, watch this. Huh! Alright, I need lots and lots of wood. What the fuck do I need that for? Done. Why won't you do it? Make stuff. Ugh. Maybe I'm going about this the wrong way. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Yeah, you like that? You like it when I fist you hard, nice and raw like that? Yeah, you piece of shit. Yeah. I didn't need this. Much better. Well, that didn't work. Wish me luck, chicken. Hey. This is my kind of place. Ah! Okay, I made it. This fortress is gonna be my bitch pretty soon. Yeah, that's what we like to see. Gimme. Come on, Wither Skeleton. Got you now, bitch. I'll take you out, bitch. Do I die here? Maybe. Woo! See, guys, Minecraft is easy. Alright. Time to beat the game. Is that a dragon? That's a dragon. Fuck that. So there you go. It's that easy. Minecraft.